Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? As we are discussing the chapter number 11, organic chemistry, and our today's topic of discussion is functional groups. Okay, first see the definition of the functional groups. An atom, group of atoms, presence of double or triple bond that determine the characteristic properties of an organic compound is called as functional group. Now, what is meant by the characteristic properties? Characteristic properties means the chemical properties or the specific properties. For example, all the alcohols, they show the similar characteristic properties, and that is because of the presence of which group? OH. So this OH group, which determine the characteristic properties of alcohols, that is called as the functional group. Same for carboxylic acids. All the carboxylic acids, they contain the functional group of COOH, and all of them, they are having the specific properties because of the presence of this COOH group. Now okay students, in our previous lecture we have studied about the alkyl radicals. How alkyl radicals are represented? They are represented by the capital letter R. And how they are formed? Alkyl radicals are formed by the removal of hydrogen atom either from the central carbon atom or from the terminal carbon atom. Now we will consider the example of methane. The alkyl radical, after the removal of one hydrogen, will be CH3. Now to this methyl radical, any atom or group of atom can attach, like Cl, that is an atom, it can attach to this. Okay, with same radical CH3, group of atom like OH can attach. With same radical, group of atom like COOH can attach. Now what is the similarity in all of them? In all of them, this CH3 group is same, means the alkyl radical is same. This alkyl radical, this is determining the physical properties of these compounds. But these atoms or group of atoms which are attached to this and which are different in them, they are determining the chemical properties. As CH3 is same in all of them, but in all these compounds the functional group is different. Like this one, CH3Cl, it's methyl chloride. It is showing entirely different chemical properties from this CH3OH, which is an alcohol. The same carboxylic group is attached to this alkyl radical, and what it is called? It is called the acetic acid. So what are the functional groups here? All these compounds have these functional groups which are showing entirely different characteristic properties. So this R group, it determines, or alkyl radical, it will determine the physical properties of this compound, and these atoms or group of atoms, they will determine the chemical properties of these organic compounds. Now in the definition we have discussed that the presence of double or triple bond is also the functional group. Now see first ethane. The formula of ethane is CH3 CH2 CH3. Now from this alkane or ethane, hydrogen atom will be removed, and then what will form? CH2 double bond CH2. Now this compound is entirely different from this, showing different properties. And why it is showing the different properties? Because of the presence of this double bond. Then same the presence of the triple bond, like in ethane CH triple bond CH. It is also showing the different properties, characteristic properties. Why? Because of the presence of this triple bond. So it means that these atoms, group of atoms, double or the triple bond, which are determining the characteristic properties of these compounds, that is called as the functional group. Okay students, as we have started about the functional groups, so first see the different types of the functional groups which are mentioned in your book. The first one is the organic compounds that contain the functional group of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In it, the different groups are there. The first one is the alcoholic group, which contains ROH. Here the OH is the functional group and ROH is the general formula. In ether linkage, the functional group is O and the general formula is ROR prime. These are the alkyl radicals. In aldehyde group, the general formula is R C double bond OH and the functional group is CHO. In ketonic group, next one is the ketonic group, in which the functional group is C double bond O, and these R and R prime are the alkyl radicals here. C carboxylic group, C double bond O R OH. Here the functional group is this one. And then is the ester linkage. Again here C double bond OO, and these R are the alkyl radicals, so the functional group is this one. Okay, the next class is amines. The organic compounds which contain carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen in them as the functional groups are called amines, and their general formula is RNH2. The next group is of halides, which are called alkyl halides, which contain carbon, hydrogen and halogens, as halogens are represented by the capital letter X. So we have mentioned here X, and these are called halides, and the general formula is Rx. The next is the presence of the double or the triple bond, as we have studied in the definition. If the double bond is present, then these organic compounds are called alkenes, and if the triple bond is present, then these organic compounds are called alkynes.